Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Web 3.0 is a hypothetical future internet version built on public blockchains, a record-keeping technology best known for facilitating cryptocurrency transactions. Web 3.0 is appealing because it's decentralized. Instead of customers accessing the internet through services mediated by firms like Google, Apple, or Facebook, individuals own and regulate areas of the internet themselves. Web 3.0 doesn't require permission, which implies that central authorities don't have the power to select who has access to what services, nor does it require trust, which means that virtual transactions between two or more parties don't need the use of an intermediary. Web 3.0 technically preserves user privacy better because these agencies and intermediaries conduct most of the data collection. Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, is a Web 3.0 component that's gaining traction. It comprises using the blockchain to conduct real-world financial transactions without the involvement of banks or the government. Meanwhile, many significant corporations and venture capital firms are pouring money into Web 3.0. It isn't easy to imagine that their involvement won't lead to concentrated authority. In today's video, we'll look at Web 3.0 and blockchain, the future of technology. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comments section down below. Now let's jump into it. Web 3.0, the road taken. Web 1.0 was the earliest version of the internet, and it denoted the internet's arrival in the late 1980s. Only static, read-only messages were included, and only a few participants created them. It was evident that Web 1.0 was a significant technological advancement for its time, and people could access published content from all over the world via the internet. However, Web 1.0 imposed severe limitations on how users interacted with the material. Following that, the world experienced the rise of Web 2.0, which focused on enhancing user engagement and interaction. Web 2.0 enabled users to create accounts through various services, allowing them to construct their own online identities. As a result, e-commerce and social media platforms began to look for new ways to reach a larger audience. Many groundbreaking online technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript arose due to the rise of Web 2.0. With the launch of Web 3.0, the world is changing to the most recent paradigm in the web's development journey. So what does the internet's new incarnation have to offer? Web 3.0 and the significance of blockchain. The essential component of Web 3.0 examples such as voice assistants Siri and Alexa shows how machine learning could generate a new range of internet services. The third generation of the internet would run on decentralized protocols, except for hints of incorporating machine learning and connecting machines through the Internet of Things. As a result, finding a possible convergence of blockchain and Web 3.0 is critical. Interoperability, automation through smart contracts, seamless integration, and censorship-resistant storage of peer-to-peer data files are all features of the third generation of online networks. As a result, blockchain will be a significant driving factor behind the internet's future generation. Blockchain plays a critical role in altering traditional data storage and management methods. So to put this in simple terms, blockchain provides a one-of-a-kind collection of data or a global state layer managed collectively. The unique state layer provides the ability to construct a value settlement layer on the internet. The state layer enables effective peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries by allowing files to be sent in a copy-protected way. Now let's have a look at how blockchain paved the way for Web 3.0. One of the first milestones for sketching the outline for Web 3.0 was the debut of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin blockchain and other protocols aided in creating networks where hackers would have to break into numerous homes around the world to gain access to data in a single house. Since it permitted data storage in multiple copies of the peer-to-peer network, blockchain laid the groundwork for Web 3.0 definition. In the protocol aids in the formal defining of management norms. Also, the protocol directs data security by requiring majority agreement from all network members. Participants were awarded with native network tokens in exchange for contributions to the network's security and upkeep. When you consider how blockchain transforms data structures in the web's backend, it's clear that it's the foundation for Web 3.0. And most importantly, it aided in creating a governance layer that runs on top of the existing internet. The governance layer allows two untrustworthy people to form an agreement and settle transactions over the internet. Surprisingly, blockchain's capabilities in Web 3.0 would primarily focus on introducing a back-end revolution. Web 3.0 can be thought of as a collection of blockchain-based protocols to transform the internet's backbone wiring from a technical standpoint. Most importantly, it's reasonable to think about blockchain as a distributed world computer that will revolutionize how we live. Examples of blockchain in Web 3.0. Follow is one of the most well-known Web 3.0 examples with explicit blockchain functionality. The Decentralized and Autonomous Organization has developed a decentralized social protocol for the next generation of online services. A blockchain-based social protocol where users control their social identities and data entirely. Web 3.0 development also focuses on building new social infrastructures that must adhere to the internet's essential principles. Blockchain eliminates the need for trusted intermediaries while also allowing networks to collectively remember user interactions and previous occurrences. As a result, blockchain is vital to enhancing the internet's decentralization capabilities. From basic observations about the third generation of the web, the function of blockchain in Web 3.0 is evident. Blockchain emerged as a potent force that altered traditional company operations with its inherent characteristics. However, decentralization is an essential feature of blockchain, making it a perfect basis for Web 3.0. The significant flaws highlighted with Web 2.0, including centralized governance and data integrity concerns, point to the necessity for a new internet variety. Users could have access to an independent and open internet with the third generation of the web. At the same time, it's crucial to consider how machine learning, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things will aid the growth of the third generation of the web. So there we have it, a look at Web 3.0 and blockchain, the future of technology. Once again, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.